Alright, this is how it sits in the garage, covered up with this California car cover, custom fit cover for this car. I'll start taking it off. And there she is, 66 Buick Skylark Gran Sport. And recently all painted up. Got lots of new chrome and re-chromed pieces. It's got the Gran Sport wheels. It needs a antenna, and it's missing a windshield wiper arm. I was planning on ordering that. As you can see, it's got nice straight body lines. Emblem there. Top is in great shape. It's pretty new. I'm not sure how many years ago Dad had it done, but it's recently been redone. Chrome's all in nice shape. Windshield's clean. There's no cracks or pits or anything on the windshield. Little mirror. And you got all redone interior, just recently done. Probably like, I don't know, 500 miles driven on this new interior. It's right when he got that back was right when my dad started getting sick and wasn't driving much at all. It's got the floor mats, but the carpet's in great shape underneath it on both sides. Your dash has got that original stereo. Both the visors were also redone. All the interior was redone. So you can see the inside's great. It's got two tonneau covers in the trunk to cover up the back, a convertible top. Then you got all the emblems. Bumper was recently re-chromed. It's all straight there. Again, original rims. It's missing the rubber brake pad for the shoe. Not a big deal. Just need to get it ordered. There you go. Over here. It's sitting up high because there's no engine in it. Pause it. All right, here we go. Got the engine compartment here. It's got a new radiator, new battery. It's all nice and clean. Already sent pictures with the ad for the serial numbers. There they are again. Let's see. Let's put that transmission in there. Everything's in place. I'll show you the trunk. All right, we got the trunk here. Pops right open. All the carpet's in great shape. Original spare tire. Here's the parts that came off the engine. It's got that new gear for the starter. All the parts there that aren't on the engine itself. The engine is, there's the carburetor, Edelbrock carb. It's a brand new starter. And there's those two tonneau covers. You can see the pictures of the online that show the carpet's in great shape. Got the new rubber around the edge, underneath the trunk. Everything's in order there. Closes nice and easy. There you go. The engine's around the corner at the shop, like 1 block away. And like I said, I'm planning to ship it to Centerville Auto Parts for nailheadbuick.com. You can see that place that I'm intending to have the engine rebuilt, unless you want to do something else. There you go.